Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, Giselle! And God bless you. Wishing you to have a joyful birthday. Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Giselle. Sana makatapos ka ng pag-aaral at maabot ang iyong pangarap. Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Giselle!
Happy birthday, Giselle!
Hi, Ate Aya. Happy birthday. I wish you the best.
Happy birthday, Giselle. Sana lagi kang healthy at sana naging mabait ka. Tsaka pagpabayaan ang iyong mga magulang. And sana huwag ka magkasakit pa yung birthday mo. I love you, Giselle. You know that. Bye-bye.
Hi, Aya. Happy birthday. Galingan mo lang lagi sa lahat ng ginagawa mo. Enjoy your birthday. I wish you all the best.
Birthday sa iyo, Giselle. Sana pagbutihan mo ang pag-aaral mo at ayun lang.
Hi, Giselle. Happy birthday. Sana bigyan ka ng mahabang-habang buhay ng iyong mga pamilya. Sana ikaw rin. Happy birthday, Giselle. Birthday, Giselle. God bless you.
Happy birthday, Aya Giselle.
Hi, Giselle. Happy birthday. More birthdays to come. Enjoy your birthday and God bless.
Hi, Aya. Happy birthday. Lagi ka mag-aaral na mabuti. I really miss you. Sana maging magkaklase pa tayo.
Happy birthday, Aya, and Merry Christmas to you.
Happy birthday, bestie. Hi, Aya, and advance Merry Christmas na lang sa inyo dyan. And ingat kayo palagi at mag-aral ka ng mabuti, mapagtapos ka, and pag saan ka man po pumunta, mag-pray ka po lagi, and stay healthy, and stay strong, and stay pretty, and I miss you, bestie. Miss ko na yung banding natin dalawa, at sana hanggang paglaki mo, hindi ka magbago. Sana makilala mo pa po ako. I love you! Happy birthday, Aya. More birthday to come and Merry Christmas na lang po sa inyo dyan ni Mama at Papa mo po, and lagi ka po mag-iingat dun sa mga pumunta. Lagi ka pong mag-pray and huwag ka po pong kakalimutan mag-upo at opo sa iyong mga kapwa, and mag-iingat ka. Miss you na, best. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay pretty. I love you. Ingat ka po. And happy birthday ulit. Mwah. And Merry Christmas rin po sa mama po ni Aya and sa iyo, Aya, at papa po ni Aya. Merry Christmas po sa inyo. And happy birthday ulit kay Aya, and more birthday to come, and sana maging masaya ka ngayong kaarawan mo. I love you!